welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful Easter Sunday. Happy Easter to all my beautiful family here. Welcome back here, my beautiful ladies. So today I brought you a hot topic. Okay, I said to myself, there's no way this beautiful Easter Sunday will pass by without me dropping you one of the best skincare tips I have. Okay, so I brought you two amazing products. Okay, I use in formulations. I want to be sharing that with you today on this beautiful Easter Sunday. So hope you all are doing well. Hope you're enjoying your Easter Sunday. Hope you're having fun. Okay, before we dive into the video, I want to appreciate you all, my beautiful ladies. God bless you for your love and support towards my channel. I want to appreciate my new subscribers. If you're new here, this page is all about skincare, beauty tips, fashion, and lifestyle. So today I brought you a hot topic, one of the best products I use in formulation. Yes, that's my precious gift today, the Easter Sunday. So now let's dive into today's video. So the product I brought to the table today is none other product but Sepi White. This is Skin Beauty Serum. It's a total perfection. This is, as you can see, I've used some part of it. I used some part of it to do a simple face cream for clients. Not all though. I used a little part of this to make that because I've used it before I used this morning as well. And also another one is Sepi 1005 milligrams. Is a half cast milk serum. This is it. It's hydroquinone free. It's written here as well. This is Sepi number 1500 milligram half cast milk serum. It's hydroquinone free. You see these two are magic. These two are magic. When you use these two in your formulation, you two will be shocked, like, what is happening? You see these two serums. Now these two are organic based serums. If you're making organic cream, if you're formulating organic cream, you want your product to give an outstanding clear skin. You see these two are skincare top secrets that most people won't share on here, but I'm giving you the tips. So you can use this in formulating super clean half cast cream, super clean snow white cream. These two serums will do a great job in formulating those products. Okay, so I'm gonna read out this and I'll read out this, then I'll explain further. Now, Sepi White Skin Beauty Serum Total Perfection. Okay, Sepi White is a skin whitening treatment made from a mixture of natural ammonic acid. Okay, ingredients in it has rosemary extract, it has purified seawater, it has vitamin E, it has vitamin A, it has hazelnut oil, it has juniper oil, it has jasmine oil, it has arbutin, it has glutathione, it has papaya extract. This can be used both on the face and body. This can be used both on your face and body. So you can use this in making your face cream, you can use this in making your body cream. Now read out this one and I will explain to you all. Now this Sepi White 1000 milligram half cast milk serum. Okay, Filipino nude white milk serum 1000 milligram gives complete defense from sun as it visibly whitens in just 14 days. This is skin magic. You see, comparing both, this one is magic. This is super active compared to this, but this is also good. Now if you're into skincare formulation and you're not too good with using powders, you don't know how to mix your powders properly, because not everyone is good with using powders, you can go for these oils. Okay, this is Sepi White. This is Filipino. There's another one, Giga White. I don't have it right here, but I'll make a video of that one later. Maybe I'll make a video of that, or if I can, I will insert a picture of the Giga White. It's also like, it comes in a bottle like this. As you can see, the covers, this is how it looks as well. It looks more like this shape of bottle, Giga White. So if you want to produce an organic product, you don't know how to work with your powders, you can go ahead and use either of these serums to formulate a good organic lightening cream with no side effect that will whiten the skin and give the skin a very clean, clear result. Okay, this one, let me go ahead again. Filipino nude white milk serum 1000 milligram gives complete defense from sun as it visibly whitens in just 14 days. It contains Filipino powder, arbutin. Ingredients: water, Filipino powder, arbutin, glycol, fragrance, Indian oil, and color. This is a super skin whitening oil. This will whiten the skin and give it a flawless result. Okay, maybe I'll be taking up some classes soon and I will show you how to use this in making creams. But here on this channel as well, I will try to show you try to make some videos and show you how to use these products in formulating your product. But if you're not a skincare formulator, okay, I will just quickly tell you how you can use this. If you get a 250 ml lotion, you can add 2 tablespoons of this and 2 tablespoons of this in your 250 ml lotion. Very simple, right? In your 500 ml lotion, if you're to use, okay, in the 250 ml lotion, you can add 2 tablespoons, not 2 teaspoons, 2 tablespoons of this and 2 tablespoons of this in your 250 ml lotion, and it's going to really work amazing on your skin. So you see these two, add it to any of your lotion, any whitening lotion. If you can even add it to a moisturizing lotion. If you're using a moisturizing lotion, you want the lotion to you know, even in a moisturizing lotion, you can do that as well, and it's gonna do a great job. Sorry, excuse me. Sorry about that, beautiful ladies. Even in lightening a normal moisturizer, you can add this. You can add this. If you want it super whitening, you can increase the amount of tablespoons to make it. It doesn't contain steroid, it doesn't contain hydroquinone, it doesn't have side effect. This is an organic powder turned into liquid form. These are meant for if you're not good with powders, you don't know how to use the powders effectively. These are powders formulated in liquid form, so you can add as much as you want, but not turning the whole 2 bottles inside the inside a 250 ml lotion, of course. No, that won't really be nice. So you can use more than 2 tablespoons. You can use more than 2 tablespoons, but I'm not saying you should use the 2 into your 250 ml lotion. No, please don't do that. So you can increase if 2 tablespoons will be small. Maybe you want it really concentrated. You want your lotion really whitening. You can increase the amount of tablespoon of this, and also you can increase the amount of this. You can also add the giga white. I'll be making a video on that, or if I can find a pics, I will insert it at the end of this video, so you see what the giga white looks just like. This is written giga white. It comes like this. It's pinkish, somehow pink milky color. Like this is cream color, and this is like close to orange color. These things are skincare secrets that can boost the effectiveness of your lotion. If you have any lotion you're already formulating that works, but what you want to add a boost, like to make it more potent, now you can introduce these 2 serums into whatever lotion you're already making that works very well. You can introduce this to them, and it will really boost the effectiveness of your lotion. Now when you're using only this kind of serums, your lotion is 90% organic, because these are organic oils. These are organic powders made in liquid form. It has no steroid, it has no hydroquinone. They're natural plant serums that are safe to whiten your skin without damaging or without giving you any side effects. Okay, this is pure half-caste skin tone. This one will give you pure half-caste skin tone. This one will whiten your skin beautifully. Okay, is a half-caste milk serum. This one is strictly, if you don't want to whiten your skin, just go away from this one. This is strictly for skin whitening. This can even act as a glow oil, like when you add like 1 tablespoon into a big amount of lotion, or into maybe 250 ml, or 2 tablespoons to 250 ml. Just this, it can even add as act like a lightening or brightening oil. Even a dark caramel can use this to, you know, brightening their skin a bit and glow. But you want it really can, if you add plenty, it will whiten you definitely. But if you add 2 tablespoons, even a caramel skin can use just this. But you see this one, this is strictly for whitening. This is strictly for skin whitening. If you want to whiten, if you're making a whitening cream, then this, a caramel skin can use this. Okay, now when you combine both together, you're formulating a strong whitening cream with no side effects. These whitening creams I'm talking about are not the type that will give you dark knuckles, but it depends on the base you're using. If you're using a base with hydroquinone, of course your cream will cause dark knuckles. But if you're using a natural glutathione based cream and you're adding this, you're making a very nice whitening lotion that won't give you dark knuckles, that will not give you blemishes, that will just give you clean fair skin. So these 2 serums are your go-to whitening skincare secrets. If you want to boost the effectiveness of your whitening lotion, then you should add this. So I just decided to make this short video to introduce these 2 amazing products I work with to you. So if you're a skincare formulator, you can introduce this to your formulations, and you will come back to thank me. And if you're someone that is just a skincare lover, you want to make your skin look nice, get a good glutathione based lotion and you add the serums and you come back to thank me. So that will be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to share so we can, grow. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed so you don't miss out on the tips I'll be dropping this week. This week is going to be hot tips on your skincare, for hot tips for skincare production, skincare tips, how to activate a lotion, how to achieve a very radiant, glowing, clear skin. Okay, that'll be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I love you all and see you, and enjoy your Easter Sunday. Enjoy yourself. I love you. Mwah.